Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you which one is better, Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Plus versus the Dream L10s Ultra. First is the suction power. Xiaomi X20 Plus has a 6000 PA, while the Dream L10s Ultra has a 10,000 PA. It is better for carpets and pets. For mopping system, Xiaomi X20 Plus has a rotating mop pads with pressure and water control, while the L10s Ultra has a duo scrub system with dual rotary map, stronger scrubbing. For self-cleaning base, Xiaomi washes and dries mop pads, self-refilling and draining water tanks, while the Dream fully automatic base, it empties dustbin, washes and dries mop pads. For navigation, the Xiaomi, the binocular vision and AI obstacle avoidance, while the Dream has a AR navigation for precise room-by-room cleaning. For their battery life, both have a 5200 mAh battery, offering about 2.5 hours of cleaning. In conclusion, Dream L10s Ultra is better for superior suction, mopping, and self-cleaning, while the Xiaomi X20 Plus is a solid choice for good all-around cleaning with a strong mapping system. And that's basically it.